Welcome again, YouTubers. This is Sheldoc's channel, and this is my Toyota Vitz. Here it is. Now I am trying to locate my reverse light switch, and it is somewhere under this section on the transmission, somewhere up there, but I can't get access to it from here. So I'm gonna try and find another route to see if I can get access to it. So let me just go around to the wheel well. Trying to position myself under the wheel well. It's a bit of a tight fit. See if I can locate it. So that little connection that is right there. So this would be your reverse light switch on a Toyota Vitz. So if you need to change it any at all, this is where it is located. Hopefully you can hear me well. So this is your reverse light switch. I cannot touch it or use anything to show you at the moment, but hopefully you can see properly from this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Have yourself a nice time.